what is up guys, it is Mac on Track here, and today we're going to be talking about the Azio Prism, which is my current keyboard. This is a very budget-friendly membrane keyboard with changeable LED backlight. The build of the keyboard is made entirely of black matte plastic with glossy keycaps. Despite it being plastic, it does feel well made. However, several buyers have noted the little height adjustment feet have broken on them. However, I have not experienced this issue. The black suits me very well as my mouse is silver and black, as is my monitor and my headphones. The most noticeable feature of this keyboard is the changeable backlighting, which can be changed to pink, light blue, dark blue, salmon, red, orange, green, off, or multicolored. However, for some reason when I do multicolored, it seems to not be as bright as one whole color selected. The keys aren't as noisy as a mechanical keyboard, to be sure, but any larger keys like the spacebar and the enter button seem to make quite a bit of noise when you mash them. All in all, for a backlit quality keyboard, I would say it's definitely worth the price, for around $40, and you can even find some places selling it for even cheaper. Anyways guys, if you like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.